Welcome to JCE Connect. In today's session, we'll see how to interface a DAC to generate a square wave. Okay, this is a program to generation of a square wave. If I say the square wave will be consists of high and the low pulse. Since we'll see line by line code to demonstrate how the program will execute and generate a signal. Okay, the first line org 00h means my program will be begins at the location 00h. Okay, since accumulator A will be loaded with 00h means it is loaded with the low value. There is a low means low pulse will be generated for the square wave. L call output, immediately it will call the output. There is a label in which content of accumulator will be sent onto the port P0. What is the value of A now? 00. It will be displayed onto the port P0. That is a low. After this one, it will be the line will be go to the return, and it will go back to the main program in which accumulator will be loaded with FFH. Again, the L call, long call, it will call the delay. There is output. What is the content of accumulator now? FF. It will be sent to the port P0. What will be displayed? It will be displaying that is high signal, that is FFH. Since this process will be keep on looping it, okay, and you will see at the output side a square wave with equal high and equal low interval. That is both the duty cycle will be similar. Okay, let us move to the step-by-step operation here. If I want to execute my program, okay, you need to be go with the translate, build and rebuild. Okay, now before this one we need to create a hex file. Okay, now how do I create a hex file here? Okay, click on target. Okay, right click. I hope you can see option for target 1. Right, you will get this window will be appear for you. In the target, you need to be see the what the frequency you are using. It has to be 11.0592. Okay. Now in the output, okay, make sure that you are creating a hex file for the corresponding assembly language program. You write that is a give the check mark, and if at all if you want to make a separate folder for your reference so that your hex file is stored, you can create a hex file. Okay, let us check that. In a hello, I will create a hex file here. Okay, now new. Okay, new hex file will be created. Say temp. I'll create here temp. Okay, in which you make a OK. You can give the name of the file, whatever that, SQARE square, and after once if you have done this one, okay, click on OK. Look at this. What is the name of the file? Square. Click OK. Okay. Now once the program, okay, all the setting has been done, you need to be translate, build and rebuild. Okay, now there is a regular procedure what we will do here. Okay, look at this one. Okay, now I hope you can see here. Okay, once you are done with like a build, rebuild and all this, okay, what the name of the hex file we have created here? Square wave. Okay, it will be exists in a folder, corresponding folder with a name SQARE. Okay, now if you want to check it, you can go to the mentioned folder. You will find a square, a name of the square with a dot hex. Okay, I hope you can see. Okay, in temp, click on temp. I created a hex file dot hex. Okay, this will be clear for you so that you can see it. Okay, that is a square dot hex will be created. Okay, the corresponding hex file has to be dumped onto the kit. so that you will see the output. Now for a reference, if you want to see the output here, okay, in the simulation itself only, now go to debug. Now look at this one, you are in a debug mode. Okay, now you want to see the output of this one. I hope you can see this is the icon analysis window. Click on logical analyzer. Okay, now once if you see the logical analyzer, okay, now for the program you are using port P0, since the output will be displayed through port P0. Go to setup, click on setup. Okay, you will find the window like this. In here you need to be click on this one. Okay, let us check that. I'll show you. Delete it. Click on the icon P0. Okay, now close. Okay, now once if you have done the close here, okay, now go to run. Click on run. Okay, I hope you will see the output will be appear on the window. Okay, there is a oscilloscope window, how we see the external device. Similar output we can see on the there is a keel itself. I hope this is a output square wave will be generated for. Now if you want to see the stop, okay, there is a stop will be there. You just click on stop. I hope you can see there is a stop window will be appear for you, and you will find, okay, what are the output here reference 0 to 255, which port P0. Okay, this is about the program to generate a square wave by using DAC interfacing card.